So today we're going to look at metals, nonmetals, and metalloids on the periodic table. So you have a slide deck in your Tuesday folder, if you open that. And go ahead and open the document. Furthering a little bit here as we get into atoms, elements, and some other things. So metals, nonmetals, and metalloids on the periodic table are kind of broken out like this. So the majority of the periodic table is made up of metals. And then the green boxes there are your nonmetals. So there's a little staircase here that typically is associated with metalloids, depending on where it is on the staircase. So, of course, there's exceptions here. You see that metals are on the left side of the periodic table and non are on the right, with the exception of hydrogen up here in the upper left. So we're going to go through some properties and things of metals. Metals are shiny and they conduct electricity, and they conduct heat energy. So that means that electricity and heat will flow through them pretty easily. They can be pounded or rolled into shape and also drawn into wires pretty easily. And so you can see almost looks like kind of like a brake line that's in this picture here. It's got a flanged end to it. I doubt that's what that is, but that kind of is what it reminds me of. So in any case, moving on, so we got nonmetals. They do not conduct heat or electric energy. Typically they are dull in appearance and brittle and break very easily, and they cannot be pounded or rolled. This is a picture of sulfur here, in case you're wondering. And then you have metalloids, which have properties of both metals and nonmetals. So depending on which one you're looking at, they can be pounded or rolled. They can conduct some heat and electric current, and they typically are known as semi-metals. So this is silicon. That's an example there. So go ahead and work on your focus questions here. And then we're going to do a little game of which one is it. So you're going to go through and answer. There's 3 examples there, and then there's some more questions based on some information here. And then at the end, I want you to do a little scavenger hunt. So go around the house or outside, find items that you believe represent the properties of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. You're not going to find straight elements in your house, but you can find things that represent the properties of those 3 things. And I want you to find 3 examples of each. Take pictures of your examples and then upload them into the slide deck. So this is going to be a fairly light day with regards to that. But have some fun with it and get creative. So in order to upload your pictures, go up here and hit slide in the toolbar. Click on new slide, and it'll add another one for you. You can do that however many times you need, and then you can add your pictures in here and give me any background information that you want as to why you think it represents those properties. All right, have some fun with it and enjoy your day. Don't forget to go back and into the assignment here, and then click on your My Documents and hit Submit. All right? Have a fantastic